Bonggang-bongga nga ang banner na ito na ipinakita ng Facebook page na 18 Davao. One banner in the sky isn't enough. SB19 deserve the whole universe. The world is yours, SB19, and we'll never stop reminding everyone of that. We've come this far, but this is just the beginning. We hope for more banners, more stages, more recognition because our boys deserve nothing less than everything. No ceiling, no limits, just higher and higher. Pinag-usapan nga kamakailan lamang ang nasabing pag-congratulate ng SB19 sa BINI. Ito'y dahil na rin sa invitation sa 2026 kung saan magpe-perform ang BINI sa Coachella. Ano nga ba ang Coachella? Coachella Valley Music and Arts Festival, music festival mula sa Wikipedia. The Coachella Valley Music and Arts Festival, commonly called the Coachella Festival or simply Coachella, is an annual music and arts festival held at the Empire Polo Club in Indo, California in the Coachella Valley in the Colorado Desert. It was so founded by Paul Tollett and Ricky Van Santen in 1999 and it's organized by Golden Voice and subsidiary of AEG Present. Isa nga sa pangarap ng SB19 na makapag-perform sa nasabing nga pong event or prestigyosong event na ito, kung saan ay pinag-usapan ito ng mga fans. Justin, I always dream of performing in big festival like Coachella and Lollapalooza so we can introduce Filipino music internationally. It'll be a very big milestone for us and for the Filipino music. Marami ang nagtatanong na mas sikat talagang SB19 kaysa sa BINI, although wala namang issue about doon dahil pareho silang Filipino pride. But anyway, bakit nga ba tila mas nauna pang maimbitahan ang BINI kaysa sa SB19? In spite na kilala na ang SB19 sa amang sulok ng mundo sa nasabi nga pong Coachella Festival. Well, narito po ang naging say ng mga 18 fans. Tignan po natin. Say nila, we need to move on from this and focus on AAA, break todo. Talking about is just rubbing salt to their wounds. Isipin nyo na lang if we're disappointed and hurts what more with Pablo being the CEO of 1Z. Lalo na kung financial ang rason at di sila nakapasok, diba? Say naman ng isa pang fan, SB19 has an invitation, but di pa talaga kakayanin ng resources ng company ang gasto sa preparation. Coachella management is demanding partner kaya pinag-iisipan for sure nila yan. Sabi pa nga ni Ken on one of their interviews na kung malaki lang sana yung company na nagmamanage sa kanila, they could have gone very far. And I watched Kuya Yanni's interview. Sabi niya, halos break-even lang daw ang gain at gastos nila sa mga international stops. Pero okay lang daw kasi their aim is to promote SB19 in the world. I know they too might be heartbroken na di pa nila kayang mag-Coachella this time, but for sure they are preparing for it at the right time when it all stars fall into place. Let's not be bitter, capsicums. Huwag nang padala sa mga comparison sa kabilang fandom. SB19's aims is not to be the first Filipino group to perform in Coachella. Their only aim is to perform in Coachella. It doesn't matter when, but they will be there soon. While waiting, we will continue to cheer and support them. Say naman ng ilan, well, it's a wise thing to do naman na talagang i-decline ni Pau after at kilala naman sila sa anumang panig ng mundo at yan ang importante. Walang pakiyang Coachella sa talent. They are after the money. Ganon kasimple. What matters most is the whole world recognize them, knows that they can do and achieve soon. They were so talented and competitive. We believe that God has a better plan for them. Keep it up, guys. The world loves you and support you no matter what. Say pa ng ilan, we know that SB19 and 1Z always surprise us 18 sa mga future ganap nila. Huwag natin panghinayangan yung Coachella. Punong-puno ng schedule nila and I feel something better or a big event will be coming on their way. We trust them. Please, kung totoo man ito, stop posting about it. There's a reason bakit hindi pa ina-announce kung meron mang inihahanda sila. This create unnecessary stress sa boys. Paano kung mag-expect tayo na meron dahil sa ganitong post tapos it's not meant to be released soon pa pala. Huwag natin silang pangunahan. Please, ibigay na natin sa kanila yan. No hate for just saying. Ibuhos po natin ang gigil natin sa pag-engage sa mga post ng SB19, page streams at pag-vote. Say naman ng isa, sobrang broken-hearted din ako pero wag tayong magpadala sa bugso ng damdamin, Caps. Wag natin kalimutang yung sinabi ni Ken. Yun yung una kong naisip when I saw the list and gumaan yung feeling ko, mga Caps. I believe something bigger will come for our 5 boys because they deserve it. Let's wait patiently. Sobrang lungkot ko din, mga Caps. Iniyakan ko nga to, hindi ba nila deserve? Bakit kaya ganon? Isang araw na ako malungkot para sa kanila, send visual hugs. Nasa connection talaga yung Coachella, Caps. May nagsabi na din yan, dapat big management sa isang lugar yung artist magpe-perform doon. May WT din kasi pa, baka until next year pa, ang tour nila, visual hugs, Caps stay. Samantala, say naman ng isang fan, business owners po ang SB19 so they know the risk financially, it's not easy as it looks. Tsaka may mga agents po yan at mahabang process. And does it really matter who gets to go first? What matters is the longevity of the artist, the impact, and just celebrate that they're representing people. Even Pablo congratulate them. Choose to be kind. Envy, jealousy is a sin. Please remember that. At yan na nga ang ating showbiz top update. Ano ang masasay nyo dito? Ilagay na sa ating comment section. Please like, share, subscribe, images, or all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching.